Welcome to Jianglin Stainless Steel Strip Production Line, where precision meets performance. The process begins with cold rolling, which reduces thickness and improves the surface finish with outstanding accuracy. Next comes annealing and isopicoling, softening the material and removing surface oxides for a clean, bright appearance. Jianglin applies a protective film to each strip, safeguarding the surface during handling and downstream processing. Slitting follows, as our high-precision equipment divides the master coil into strips tailored to customer specification. Each coil is then securely packed with moisture-proof wrapping, edge protection, and clear labeling. The finished coils are carefully transported and stored, ensuring safe handling and efficient logistics. Jianglin stainless steel strips, available in surface finish such as GB, BA, and hairline, are trusted by industries worldwide. Jianglin, quality you can trust, service you can rely on.